Over there. Queen today. You see me? Don't know the thing said. Troubling TV right now. My call is it. At the airport. Some frosted thing that I come out of my mouth. I don't know. But yeah. Catching up back. Get some food right now. I don't know, say. Me and Hennessy down there, you see me? I tour the place. Yo, right now, I'm cold, man. Just believe me. What I'm telling you, say, I'm cold. I'm freezing like Ice Age.
No fucking joke about this, man. You don't know. New York City, winter, turn up.
You don't know. Hennessy done. One done. You dig what I say? Yeah. So you don't know. Catching up on a different run. Troubling TV.
A Troubling TV. On the internet you see me. You don't have to pay no money cause this comedy is for free. Troubling TV.